Easter weekend is a time for family and connections and getting out and exploring your country. We are launching our Easter campaign here to encourage all our local South Africans, domestic tourism, to go out and support especially what I call our hidden gems. Today, it's lots of fun. Bring the family, come and spend the time here. We also, when we support domestic tourism, we support the guest houses, the hospitality sector. And they work very hard during the year to make sure that all their visitors and guests has got a memorial experience.